All right, welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Google Nest Thermostat 3rd Gen, and I'm going to be going over how to set up your Nest app and also how to lock and unlock your device. You cannot lock or unlock the device without using the app, so that's something you have to use in conjunction with the thermostat in order to activate your PIN code to use with a thermostat, and then afterwards you can punch it into a thermostat itself and lock and unlock it from there. But since you have to do these together, I'm going to make a video showing these together and go over the steps of how exactly to download the app, which is very simple, and how to connect it to your thermostat. So as you can see here, this is the app right here. It mimics the thermostat, and you have every single thing that's available on the thermostat on your smartphone now. It makes it very easy to use. You have a nice big screen to make your adjustments, and it makes life a lot easier. This here mimics the thermostat, but let's go ahead now and learn about how to lock and unlock this thermostat, okay? Now, you have to access it at the very first time you do it through the phone. So when you go here, you go to the settings, that little gear icon, and you scroll, and you can see you have all your options here. And right there is lock, okay? I'm going to choose 1, 2, 3, 4 for my lock code. It's going to ask me to do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you can see this is locked, okay? There's a little lock icon that showed up on the screen here on the thermostat. Now we can go ahead and unlock it from the phone. Now the lock disappeared, as you can see. Now we can make our adjustments on our thermostat without problems, okay? So you first have to initially set it up on your smartphone through the app. There's no other way of doing it. But once you do that, then you can come into here, go into the settings, the little gear icon there, and we can lock the thermostat now from the thermostat itself. So we can scroll all the way over to the right to lock, hit select, and we can now lock this. Okay. And it's asking for the PIN code we want to use. We're going to type in the same exact PIN code. Hit continue. Now it's locked. Now we want to unlock it, so we're going to go ahead and dial in the 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 4, and hit unlock. And there you have it. Now we unlock the device. So as you can see, it wanted to first be done through the phone, but then once you did it through the phone, you can go back and do it through the thermostat once it's unlocked. So it has its flexibility there, but it will not allow you to do it unless the Google Nest app is connected to the thermostat in the very beginning of the whole process. So that there is how to unlock and lock, and also how to go through the Google Nest app and essentially adjust your thermostat. This is exactly the same. You're going to find all the same terminology and language that you see in here on the thermostat in the menus, and the same icons and symbols. Okay? All in here is all right in here. And then you hit your little gear icon up here for all the same stuff for your auto schedule, your early on, your eco mode, eco temperature, safety temperature, all these different things. Fan schedule, Wi-Fi connection, every single thing you got in here. Okay, it just makes it easier when it's on your phone and you can easily access it that way. Check out my other videos if you want to go in depth when it comes to menu settings. I'm not going to go into that with this video because it's already long enough. But you get the idea. You get the idea of how to unlock and lock, and you went ahead and I showed you step by step the Google Nest app, how it's so easy to install on your phone and also connect your device and many other devices. Alright, that's going to be it for the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, please place them right down below. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.